Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Did you just perform a factory reset on your computer and then realize that you forgot to back up some of your important files? In this video, I'll show you how to recover files on your Windows computer, even those that were lost after the reset. Let's go. Using a special data recovery tool makes it easy to get your lost files back without needing to be a tech expert. I've tried a lot of recovery software, but this one here was, in my tests, is the most effective at bringing lost files back. It can recover nearly any type of files like documents, photos, videos, and more from different storage devices such as hard drives, USB drives, or memory cards, even if they were deleted, formatted, lost due to system crashes or viruses and other situations. So, if you need to get your files back, click the link below to download this tool to get 2 GB of free data recovery when you install it for the first time. Once you've installed the software, you'll see the main screen where you can choose the specific drive, folder, USB drive, or even the recycle bin where your missing files were stored. Next, click Search for Lost Data to let the software thoroughly scan the chosen storage to find deleted, hidden, or badly damaged files. Keep in mind that how long the scan takes will depend on how big your storage device is and how fast it works. If you find the files you're looking for early, you can stop the scan at any time. After the scan is finished, the software neatly organizes all recoverable files into 2 easy-to-navigate sections: Path and Type. Choose the Path option if you remember exactly where your lost files were originally saved. Or go to the Type section to look through the recovered data based on file types like photos, videos, and documents instead. In case the software finds a lot of files, you can use the search bar to quickly find a specific data by keywords, or click Filter to narrow down your search by file type, date modified, or file size. Once you've found your files, just tick the checkboxes next to them, or click the top checkbox to select everything at once. Finally, click the Recover button. Make sure to save the recovered files somewhere different from where they were lost, so you don't accidentally overwrite other data. Remember, scanning and previewing files is completely free, but recovering them to your computer requires a premium subscription. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.